What if I tell you that eating just 150 grams of rice could load your body with 35 grams of fat and a chemical linked to depression? Just stick with me for 4 more minutes and I'm going to tell you shocking truth behind your favorite snack. Hey everyone, welcome to Calorians, a channel where we uncover the nutritional secret behind your favorite foods so you can make healthier choices. Today we are diving into a snack that almost everyone loves, French fries. Crispy, golden and addictive. They are comfort food for many. But what's inside those tempting fries and how do they impact your health? Let's break it down together. We started by visiting KFC outlet for a fresh sample of French fries. For accurate results, the sample size must be 250 grams as per the food testing standards. Once we had the sample, we sent it to Equinox Lab, a trusted food laboratory known for its reliable and detailed nutritional analysis. Let's see what the numbers reveal about French fries. Let's start with the fact. Just 100 grams of French fries contain 405 calories. That's like eating a whole meal. They also contain 22 grams of total fat, including 10 grams of saturated fat and 48 grams of carbohydrates. While they do have 4 grams of protein, the high fat and carb content make them a calorie bomb. Now, let's talk about what this means for your body. Eating a diet high in greasy and fatty foods like French fries can harm your gut microbiome. This can damage your healthy bacteria, boost harmful one, and ultimately weaken your immune system. Studies show that consuming fried foods 3 times a week increases your risk of heart attack and stroke by 7%. And if you are consuming fried foods daily, your risk jumps to 15%. Here is a surprising fact. Regularly eating fried potatoes has linked to 2% higher risk of depression compared to eating lean proteins like white meat. French fries are high in unhealthy fats, especially trans fats, which can negatively affect brain development in children. These fats can impair memory and cognitive functions over time, which is especially concerning in kids in their formative years. These fats making it a significant contributor to childhood obesity. French fries can harm the delicate gut bacteria in children. This can lead to weaken their immune system, digestive issues, making them prone to illness. When you fry foods at high temperature, a chemical called acrylamide formed. This chemical has linked to anxiety and depression. Plus, French fries are often loaded with salt. Excessive sodium can lead to fluid retention, higher blood pressure, and added strain on your heart. Now, potatoes themselves aren't the enemy. They are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and resistant starch. Resistant starch is a carbohydrate that isn't digested in your stomach. Instead, it feeds good bacteria, resulting in improving digestive system and reducing insulin resistance. Potatoes also provide potassium, which supports bone and heart health. A medium-sized potato can give you 15 to 28% of daily potassium needs. Boiled, baked, or steamed potatoes can also help you with weight regulation because they are incredibly filling. In fact, potatoes are 7 times more filling than a bread. But frying them? That's where the trouble starts. The oil dramatically increases the calorie content and adds unhealthy fats. Now, when you think about fried potatoes, the brand Lay's might come to your mind. The 100 grams of Lay's chips contain 534 calories, 32 grams of total fat, and 14 grams of saturated fats. Even worse, they are loaded with artificial flavors and emulsifiers, which can increase shelf life but damages your gut health over time. Pringles are slightly better, but still problematic. 510 calories, 26 grams of total fat, 11 grams of saturated fat per 100 grams. These packaged snacks often go unnoticed in calorie calculations. Many people munch on them alongside meals, unknowingly increasing their calorie intake and contributing to obesity. While French fries might seem like the lesser evil, both are loaded with artificial flavors and unhealthy fats and can harm your gut health over the time. According to National Institute of Nutrition, your daily fat intake should be 20 to 25% of your daily calorie limit. For an average sedentary adult, that is 25 to 30 grams of total fat. Now, let's break that down. 1 gram of fat will give you 9 calories. 100 grams of French fries contain 22 grams of total fat. That means you are consuming 198 calories coming from fat. A 150 to 200 gram serving of French fries will give you 35 to 45 grams of total fat, meaning 350 calories are coming from fat, which is more than your daily recommended fat intake. When compared to packaged chips like Lay's, the numbers get even worse. 100 grams of Lay's will give you 280 calories coming from fat, which is more than your daily limit. Over the past few decades, there has been a dramatic increase in overweight and obesity rates in India. Approximately 30 to 50% of adults are either overweight or obese. This imbalance between calorie intake and expenditure results in excessive fat accumulation, which is directly linked to the foods like French fries and chips. So, what is the takeaway? French fries and chips might be delicious, but they come with hidden health risks. Whether it is excess fat, sodium, or acrylamide from frying, these snacks are far from harmless. There are healthier alternatives to traditional French fries. Air frying and baking offer delicious ways to enjoy these French fries without the downsides. It's easy to enjoy the chips and french fries without realizing the long-term consequences. Making small changes in how we prepare and consume our favorite snacks can make big differences to our health. If even one parent watching this video decides to stop feeding french fries to their kids, I'll consider this video a massive success. What do you think? Are you surprised by these numbers and hidden health impacts? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Calorians. Got a food item you want us to test next? Drop them in the comment below, and I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay healthy. Bye bye.